When the world is dark, we need a brighter stage to light imagination in the gloom. And thus it was a long lifetime ago when the lamps went out across Europe.
That Idlois dreamed a feast of song.
From a house in Llandaf North to a chapel in Crewys Road.
Aria by aria, peace was sung anew and then wandered the world over.
His homely invite still obtains today.
We may stand at the kitchen door of genius to smell the simmering strings, the bubbling woodwind.
As we covet another plateful of tales and crave the complex flavors of the voice.
That shock their way from ear to heart.
Tonight we celebrate in Intermezzo.
No one's trilling vowels right now.
Shaping consonants like pearls between their teeth.
Yet soprano memories and tenor ghosts move amongst us,
daring us to rewire the spark between stage and audiences of all kinds.
Daring us to spread the magic that leaves you wanting more. Steering thought as well as emotion.
Because this year, the medium can be reborn.
We learn to sing together once again.
Until we feel the comet dust deep within our bones.
Because when the world is dark, it needs its brighter stage.